Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a proud rabbit who was known for his speed. He would often boast to the other animals.
I am the fastest animal in this forest. No one can ever beat me.
One day, a wise old tortoise spoke up.
Tortoise said, "Speed is good, my friend, but patience and persistence matter more."
Rabbit said, "Ha, you beat me. That's the funniest thing I've ever heard. Let's race then."
And so, the race began. The rabbit dashed ahead quickly, leaving the tortoise far behind. Confident of his victory, the rabbit stopped under a shady tree and thought, "The tortoise is too slow. I have plenty of time to rest." But the tortoise did not stop. He kept moving, slowly and steadily, step by step, never giving up. Time passed, and soon the tortoise reached the finish line while the rabbit was still asleep. When the rabbit finally woke up, he was shocked to see the tortoise celebrating with the other animals.
Rabbit said, "What? How did you win?"
Tortoise said, "Slow and steady always wins the race."
And so, the rabbit learned a valuable lesson. Consistency and patience are more important than speed.